Let's build my first custom keyboard. For this build, I chose the Akko 5075S because it's got a gasket mount along with VIA software support. I knew that I was going to want to modify this keyboard a little bit, so disassembly required a little bit of finessing, but I finally got it open. Opening it up, we see the gasket structure of the PCB and the mounting plate, traced around some foam so that we could go ahead and have a foam layer in the case itself. Then I used a couple layers of tape for a tape mod, put the whole thing back together. This build, I went with a set of Otemu clicky gold switches because I like the clicky feedback, but let me know how you think this keyboard build sounds.